The principle of brushless motors turned out to be so simple. Compared with brushed motors, it has the advantages of low noise, low energy consumption, high safety performance. Previously, we talked about the brushed motor. If we use a metal bolt to wrap a few loops of wire holding the insulating ladder, then power up the wire, this bolt becomes an electromagnet. It has the same properties as permanent magnets. When they are close to each other, they will attract the different poles and repel at the same pole. In order to continuously change the direction of the current, enable the electromagnet to pass through the interaction force of the magnet. This is the brushed motor. Brushed motor because the brush has friction. Show it's noisy, large loss, and poor safety. Then we just remove the brush directly. Instead, rotate the permanent magnet that is not connected to the wire, as shown in the picture. Coil sets of 3 colors in a motor. It's actually 3 electromagnets. When one of the coils is energized, it's an electromagnet. We label the 3 sets of coils with serial numbers. Because of hydropole attraction, homopole repulsion, the permanent magnet rotated to the position of coil 1. The coil 1 is powered off. Coil 2 starts to power up. The permanent magnet continues to rotate. Then coil 2 is powered off. Coil 3 is powered up. When turning to coil 3, coil 1 is powered on. But this time, because the polarity of the permanent magnet is different, so the current direction of coil 1 is different. Then continue to attract rotation, but it isn't efficient. And we can power up both sets of coils at the same time. Then the permanent magnet will be pushed by the 2 coils one by one. A pull is like putting another wild dog behind to chase you. Greatly increases the power of the motor. But how does the motor know when it is energizing which coil and controlling the direction of the current? It's actually through this whole sensor. Detect the exact position of the rotor magnet, then pass it to the electronic controller and decide which coil to fire. The principle here is more brain burning. You know the control process is regular, and it's just computer controlled is enough. Okay, have you learned it?